Hello, everyone. Deb Floros, guest designer for Beataholique. I'm creating a wow necklace that can be gifted to just about anyone on your list that you want to show some love to. I created this necklace to surround these beautiful Gardan beads, enameled brass connector pieces. They're abstract oval in a beautiful turquoise tone with specks and spots of other tones and colors. And I selected 6 different check beads to pull out those spots and bring in some additional texture, color, and tone. I decided that I should create a pattern of those beads on either side up top of those connectors. And as continuity throughout the necklace, I used some Toho seed beads as spacers. I pulled out these beautiful teardrop turquoise beads, and they're going to sit closer to those connectors. I'm attaching the connectors to my bead strand with a jump ring and some French wire. I'm crimping on the first strand, and then I'm creating the second strand exactly like the first. Now I'm going to create a trio of strands that hang from the bottoms of those connectors, using all of those different beads and pulling in those turquoise teardrops to sort of mirror what's happening at the upper part of those connectors. I love creating these drapes, and I'm attaching each one to the jump rings with some French wire and crimps. And I'm very carefully selecting the beads, making sure that all are represented in the bottom of the necklace and match back up to the top portion of the necklace. This is a great piece to wear with a turtleneck or a t-shirt and a cardigan, something that will really allow you to showcase this beautiful, beautiful piece. It's so giftable, so beautiful, and I think if somebody opened up a box and found this necklace in it, they would squeal with joy because it's such an incredible piece and very special as a gift. Once you get all of those bead strands connected at the bottom, all you're going to need to do is create your top section by adding a toggle clasp. So I attached a toggle, a beautiful hammered toggle, and here's the result, a beautiful gift. If you want to make something like this, you can go to beataholique.com and shop for these pieces or similar pieces and make this beautiful necklace. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great holiday.